Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started. Our number one pick is Ugly Stik GX2 Spinning Fishing Rod. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and budget-friendly spinning rod, the Ugly Stik GX2 is a must-have in your fishing gear arsenal. The Ugly Stik GX2 Spinning Fishing Rod is a top-tier choice for anglers of all levels. Its combination of durability, sensitivity, and comfort makes it a fantastic option for various fishing applications. Whether you're casting from the shore, trolling on a boat, or fishing in fresh water or light salt water, this rod won't let you down. The Ugly Stik GX2 delivers consistently smooth performance. Its strength makes it great for handling larger fish, yet the sensitivity allows you to detect even the slightest bites. It's designed to handle tough fishing conditions, from freshwater to light saltwater, and it doesn't disappoint when it comes to reliability and versatility. The rod's action is fluid. Our second best fishing rod is KastKing Crixus Fishing Rod. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly fishing rod with great performance, the KastKing Crixus is an excellent choice that won't disappoint. If you're just getting started with fishing, the Crixus offers a solid introduction without breaking the bank. Those who need a versatile and reliable rod for various fishing techniques and conditions will appreciate the rod's performance. The rod is an excellent option for anglers who want a quality rod without spending too much money. The KastKing Crixus performs impressively across a wide range of fishing scenarios. The IM6 graphite construction gives it an edge in sensitivity, making it easier to detect bites. The rod has a solid backbone, which is great for reeling in bigger fish, but it's also sensitive enough for lighter, finesse techniques. The zirconium oxide guides help reduce friction, making it easier to cast, while the superpolymer handle offers a comfortable. Third in our list is Berkley Big Game Spinning Fishing Rod. If you're in the market for a dependable rod that can withstand heavy-duty fishing, the Berkley Big Game Spinning Fishing Rod is a great option to consider. The Berkley Big Game Spinning Fishing Rod is an outstanding choice for anglers looking for a strong, durable, and affordable rod that can handle the challenge of big game fishing. With its powerful construction, sensitivity, and comfortable handle, it offers the perfect balance of performance and value. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater, this rod is ready for the job. The Berkley Big Game Rod comes in various lengths and actions, allowing anglers to choose the best fit for their fishing technique and target species. Whether you're casting from a boat or fishing off the shore, there's a size option that matches your needs. The EVA foam handle provides a comfortable grip for long fishing sessions, offering both support and control. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue even when reeling in larger fish. It also ensures a secure grip. Number 4 in our best fishing rod list is PENN Squadron 3 Surf Spinning Fishing Rod. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable, and high-quality surf rod, the PENN Squadron 3 Surf Spinning Fishing Rod is a fantastic option. The EVA foam handle is also a standout feature, making the rod comfortable to hold even for extended periods of time, ensuring you maintain a strong, controlled grip. The PENN Squadron 3 surf spinning fishing rod excels in both casting distance and sensitivity. The lightweight design allows for effortless casting, even with heavy surf lures or bait. Its medium-heavy action ensures that it can handle big fish, while the graphite construction provides an extra layer of sensitivity to feel the bites, even when fishing in deep or turbulent waters. The rod features an EVA foam handle that provides a comfortable and secure grip, even in wet conditions. This ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during long fishing sessions, giving you better control over your cast and fish fight. The handle is also non-slip, ensuring you can keep a solid grip in the toughest conditions. Whether you're fishing from the shore, a jetty, or from a pier, the rod delivers excellent distance and accuracy with each cast. The stainless steel guides allow for smooth line management, reducing the chances of line tangles, especially during long casting sessions. The PENN Squadron 3 offers a great combination of quality and affordability. Our last pick is Ugly Stik Elite Spinning Fishing Rod. If you're looking for a durable, sensitive, and affordable spinning rod, the Ugly Stik Elite is a solid investment that won't let you down. The Ugly Stik Elite Spinning Fishing Rod excels in sensitivity, durability, and casting distance. The combination of graphite and fiberglass gives it an exceptional balance of strength and flexibility, allowing you to feel even the slightest nibbles on your bait. This sensitivity is especially helpful when fishing for more finicky species or in conditions where bites are light. When it comes to fighting fish, the Ugly Stik Elite shines. The rod provides excellent backbone to land bigger fish while still offering enough flexibility to handle lighter, quicker bites. The stainless steel guides ensure smooth line flow even when using heavier monofilament or braided lines. The EVA foam handle is comfortable to hold for long fishing sessions, offering a firm and non-slip grip, which is essential when fishing in wet conditions or battling a hard-fighting fish.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!